Alright, well we're finally picking up where we left off on the old 46. Got all that floor patch in. Now we're gonna get this corner done and then that corner done. I have the scrap piece that I cut out here and some leftover scrap from cutting the trunk pans, and got the floor section I cut out, all traced out, left the top end big there. I'm not really sure what's going to look like. Kind of had to fill in the blanks here with some of it. I got this rear patch panel all cut and fit up real nice. So next step is we'll kind of start welding this in and hammer it into place.